वेलकम टू द सिक्स्थ एपिसोड ऑफ टॉक टू केपी। और आज हमारे साथ हमारे हॉट सीट पे बैठी है प्रीत वालिया, जिसकी जितनी तारीफ करे उतनी कम। शी इज़ अ ग्रूमिंग एक्सपर्ट, शी इज़ अ सोशल एक्टिविस्ट एंड ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, इससे भी सबसे बड़ी बात कि आज के डेट में सबसे ओल्डेस्ट पब ज़रोंग प्लेस की ओनर है। सो टुडे वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू टॉक अप टू यू अबाउट। सो आप बताइए, हाउ डू यू फील बीइंग हियर?
I'm super excited. I feel so honored that I'm a part of your podcast, Kiran.
Thank you so much.
And I'm really looking forward to this whole evening.
Indeed, indeed. Thank you so much. तो जैसे प्रीति हम आपके बारे में इतना जानते हैं, like see, as to for my viewers also this is कि I have been knowing Preeti from almost the last 3 to 4 years and I've seen her conquer the stage, conquer the world. She's been into the beauty pageant with iGlam as well. तो वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा जर्नी था आपके लिए। बट यू नो, इन सब के बीच में लोगों ने बड़ी बातें की है कि यार मेंटल हेल्थ इज अ वेरी बिग क्राइटेरिया टू टॉक अबाउट। बट टेल मी समथिंग, इफ मेंटल हेल्थ इज अ क्राइटेरिया टू बी टॉक्ड अबाउट, how do you think you as an individual is taking care of your mental health with so many things going in your life?
I take care of my mental health by exercising, going to the gym. And also, I would like to tell everybody that mental health is not about being happy. Mental health basically is when the days you're feeling low, sad, depressed, anger, anxious, those days you have to take care of yourself. You must go to a therapist. If not, then go out for a walk. If not, just work out. If not, meditate. Do something for yourself that keeps you happy and busy. And if you are feeling very low, don't think that it is a very sad and a low phase of life. This is a passing phase of life.
Indeed, passing phase तो है नदी। I mean, कुछ भी चीज़ आज रुकता नहीं है, चाहे वो even you say it to be happy or to be sad, nothing stays forever.
Yes.
So I think mental health, and you have a tendency of like maintaining a thing कि आप exercise करते हो and full-fledged, like what is your regimen in that case?
In the morning, I go to the gym. I come back, have my lunch, breakfast, whatever, and then in the afternoon, I sit with my kids, family, and if there's a shoot, I go for the shoot.
Indeed.
Posting, whatever events are there.
Right.
And I try to sleep early. I try to have early dinner and sleep. I'm in bed usually by 9:30, 10, and I'm off to sleep.
My God, so 9:30, 10 तक you're off in bed and you're
Yes.
still meeting so many people on a day-to-day basis.
Yes, it's very important because a healthy sleep leads to a healthy mind.
That is very true. ये हम सुनते आए हैं, but today a live example is here that you know a healthy sleep is actually a healthy mind, which is so true.
Yeah, and like we hear many things, but it is most important to adopt it and then imply it on yourselves.
Yes. So the mental health के बारे में तो आपने हमें बता दिया that you know in what ways you can keep yourself healthy and have that healthy lifestyle as well. My major question is कि आप mental health बोल दिए कि you know exercise करने से, time to time सब करने से, जल्दी सोने से, you know things do tend to change. But don't you think कि social media के चलते आज हम काफ़ी ज़्यादा influence हो गए इस चीज़ को में? Like we're not doing it for ourselves, we're just doing it to show off. So आपके हिसाब से ऐसा कौन सा टाइम आया when you might have faced it कि you know I also have to do it, क्योंकि कहते हैं ना सब कर रहे तो मुझे भी करना पड़ेगा।
मेरे लाइफ में ऐसा टाइम आया during COVID. I realized that we didn't have house help, right? And I'm from a joint family and we had a big family. And after doing the work, we used to be so tired, lie down on the bed at night, and I started using social media in a positive way for improving my mental health. I started reading quotes, motivating quotes, which in turn I started uploading on my stories.
Oh yes.
Because if something is benefiting you, some positive lines are benefiting your life, it can also benefit the others.
Right.
And then I started sharing them on my story.
Oh wow.
So this is how I started using social media, and Then I entered the pageant, I won it, and then it continues.
Then it continues. Yes, the success keeps going up.
Yes.
And like to be very honest, देखिए आपने कहा कि you used it in the positive way. A lot of people are doing it in the negative way also. कुछ उनके लिए बोलने के लिए आपको, because see आपने उसकी पॉजिटिविटी उस सिचुएशन से ड्राइव आउट
Yes,
की,
yes.
which means internally you were very positive to do that, right?
Yes.
बट आजकल लोग सोशल मीडिया को बड़े नेगेटिव वे में लेके जाते हैं, मतलब वो दिखा देते हैं जो वो नहीं है.
So these kind of things impact your personal life. Mentally they are very unhealthy, and later on, after 1 year, after a few months, you will realize that what you are doing is not real. It is not in sync with your original personality. So ultimately, somewhere or the other, it is going to hit you, and the moment it hits you, you will step back and then come forward with something good and positive.
See, she is so positive कि उन्होंने एंड भी पॉजिटिविटी के साथ की है अपने लाइन की. सो कुडोज टू यू, थैंक यू सो मच. आई मीन इतना बड़ा आपने बात बोल दिया. बट अब देखिए, जैसे मैंने आपको आपकी जब मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन हमारे व्यूअर्स को दी, सो आई सेड दैट यू आर अ ग्रूमिंग एक्सपर्ट, राइट? सो अब देखिए, ग्रूमिंग इज अ ह्यूज स्कोप, राइट? इट हैज लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स. इट जस्ट डज नॉट हैव वन थिंग. अब एज अ लेमन, टुडे आई एम अ लेमन, आई डोंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज अबाउट ग्रूमिंग. बट आपके हिसाब से क्या मिसकंसेप्शन है लोगों को ग्रूमिंग को लेके कि ये यही होता है या ये में भी ये होता है?
हाँ, बहुत मिसकंसेप्शंस है लोगों की. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ग्रूमिंग होता है पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट के लिए, पॉइंट नंबर 1. एंड द सेकंड पॉइंट इज somebody needs to get groomed to enter into a competition. So looks are the first and foremost things.
Right.
They are an entry to the competition, but looks are, obviously we all know that looks are not everything. We have been jury in various competitions, and such beautiful girls and boys, once they start speaking, is there when they lose marks because they are not confident and they don't even know what they have to talk. They fumble. So grooming is about oneself having confidence and about personal development. And once you enter the stage, the ramp,
Right.
you have to own yourself. You have to know that you will give your best shot.
सो मतलब देखिए, अब आप खुद सोचिए, आपसे बात करके मुझे 3 पॉइंट समझ में आ गए.
बिल्कुल.
आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज फील ग्रूमिंग मींस पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट. अब मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि पर्सनालिटी इज वन ऑफ द पिलर्स ऑफ ग्रूमिंग.
Yes.
सो टुडे आल्सो फॉर मी इट्स अ लर्निंग डे. तो ये एक अलग ही मिसकंसेप्शन है लोगों को.
बिल्कुल.
कभी ऐसी कोई क्वेश्चन आई है, एनी पर्टिकुलर इंसिडेंट दैट यू वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट?
Sometimes the contestants get so nervous looking at the judges. So we tell them, we make them comfortable. And after that comes their real personality. And then they look so confident. So grooming is basically totally about oneself. If you can teach the others, it is to a certain level and point. But what you are bringing out from inside is the main thing.
राइट, वो तो है. सो आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी गुड टिप फॉर ऑल द अपकमिंग pageant show contestants,
Yes,
for everybody
youngsters.
on board, youngsters.
Not even youngsters now. We also have Mrs. Category, Mr. Category.
Oh, wow.
So all kind of women can come.
ये कब हो रहा है? Could you let our viewers know about it?
We are going to have iGlam pageant, Miss, Mrs. Kids, Teens, and Mr. competition. And in the Mrs. category and Mr. category, married, widow, single, divorced, anybody can participate.
So it's a platform for all,
All,
basically.
yes, all.
Oh wow, I think we're gonna have a lot of fun इसमें, है ना?
So I will be sharing the details on my social media. Whoever is interested can get back on the provided number.
Yes, definitely. I think अभी जैसे आप देख रहे हो, आप लोगों को हमारी creative दिख जाएगी.
Yes.
And once it is showcased to you, you guys can get in touch with us because Dee is here and Dee के जैसी grooming expert मैंने आज तक नहीं देखे. So if somebody wants to be a contestant in this show, they are going to be getting the best of best first-hand knowledge from you. So
Thank you so
definitely
much for having faith and trust in me.
Absolutely, absolutely. देखिए, अब faith तो friends को friends पे होता है, right?
बिल्कुल.
वो नहीं रहेगा तो यार वो बुनियाद नहीं है. बट आप एक बात बताइए, लाइक सी, मैंने आपके बारे में जितना भी अभी बात किया, वी स्पोक अबाउट यू बीइंग इनटू पैजेंट शोज, यू बीन द जूरी ऑफ सो मेनी शोज, इतने सारे शोज में जजेस बन के गए हो. दिस इज प्रोफेशन, राइट?
Yes.
बट आप मुझे ये बताइए कि प्रोफेशन एंड एज वी नो यू आर मैरिड एज वेल, यू हैव अ हाउस ऑफ हाउस, यू गॉट किड्स, यू गॉट योर ओन घर का एक स्केड्यूल,
Yes.
ये सब के बीच में हाउ आर यू जगलिंग? आई मीन डज बैलेंस लाइफ लुक एज बैलेंस्ड एज इट इज, कि इज इट डिफरेंट कंपैरेटिवली फॉर एवरीवन?
It doesn't look balanced. It is a little different. And I believe what I do and what according to me should be, there are different seasons in your life.
Okay.
Sometimes your kids need you during exams,
Right.
or if they are going through their lows.
Right.
So that time you have to put your work to the back seat and cater to the kids.
Right.
Then sometimes my work takes a priority.
Correct.
Suppose for today, like we had to do the podcast,
Yes,
right? And
yes.
if my pageant is on the 23rd of August, so I have to keep myself free for that day.
Right.
So I will tell my family. And sometimes my husband needs my time, my father-in-law needs my time, my mother, my sister, my brother. So we all have different seasons of life. So we should know which one to prioritize.
Right.
That is most important.
सही बोले, ये तो एकदम आपने बोलते हैं ना कि 100% सही बात की कि बैलेंस, जब जिसको जो प्रायोरिटी देनी है आप दोगे तो लाइफ
Absolutely.
बैलेंस
अब
रहेगी.
ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि मेरे घर में किसी की तबीयत खराब है और मैं किसी शो या इवेंट में जा रही हूँ.
नहीं, that-
I cannot do that. So that is a balance, and as I said, all things have different season. Your life is full of different kind of season.
which it is. और आप एक मेरे को बात बताइए कि देखिए, like when I was speaking about you, even when I addressed you, कि you're a social activist, means you very closely worked with causes, right? जैसे कोई भी एक आप particular CSR cause ले लीजिए, आपने बहुत closely उसके साथ काम किया. ऐसा कौन सा cause है which you feel at this given point of time in 2026 जिसको सबसे ज़्यादा attention चाहिए?
I think education of children requires the most attention. Because if we educate the children, like now also when I go on the streets, I see the children, they are doing nothing. They are just playing with some wooden thing, or they are begging on the streets. So why not we come together? We spend so much on our daily, food, clothes, holidays. So we should contribute little amount of money and set up an NGO for the education of kids. And also one more major education is required for the below the poverty line, men and women, not to reproduce more than one child.
Right.
That is the most important. The population increase also leads to poverty.
Yes. लोगों को ये समझना पड़ेगा कि
Yes.
जो लोग देखिए, बिकॉज वो इलिटरेट नहीं है, इसी के लिए उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, एंड दैट इज वाई वो उनकी 1 की फैमिली 2 हो जा रही है, 2 की फैमिली
Yes.
3 हो जा रही है.
And the way they think the more family members, the more they will earn. But for earning, you need to spend. You need to bring up your child. You need to educate. You need to give food, clothing, shelter. Everything is required.
राइट, वो तो है. सो आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट गो टू थिंग विल बी कि हम हमारी एनजीओ की नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट में बात जरूर करने वाले हैं. आई थिंक इन आवर अपकमिंग पॉडकास्ट वी गोना हैव यू अगेन, एंड उस टाइम पे वी आर गोना टॉक अबाउट द एनजीओज, एंड वील एक्चुअली ट्राई टू गेट आवर व्यूअर्स टू हेल्प अस आउट एज वेल.
Yes, I would request everybody to help us.
यस, इंडीड. कहते हैं ना कि यार एक इंसान क्या ही कर लेगा. जनरली हमने ये चीज सुनी है लोगों से कि व्हाट कैन वन पर्सन डू, क्या डिफरेंस कर लेगा. तो क्या आपको, डू यू थिंक दैट दिस इज द राइट वे टू थिंक कि इट इज?
Yes, of course, this is the right way to think. Everything starts with one person. If one person makes the first move, people will follow. Everybody needs a leader. They need to follow someone. So once you set a goal and you go for it, you will not even know that there are so many people coming behind you to support you. All the great people have started everything alone. If you see the statistics and you go through all the pages, and you will come to know that one person has started a certain organization or a business or a setup, and then he forms a team. But the idea is only one person's idea.
That is true. तो yes, it is actually one person who can make the main difference.
Yes.
और चलिए अब मैं थोड़ी अपनी because मैं कहती हूँ ना कि it is always talk to KP, तो थोड़ी मजाक की बातें तो होगी. अब जैसे देखिए, I have also been into quite a lot into events in my days, एंड आई हैव सीन द नाइट लाइफ, ठीक है, लाइक मैंने देखा है कि कितना स्ट्रगल्स है टू लाइक यू नो इवन एज एन इवेंट प्लानर टू बी इन अ प्लेस. You are one of the oldest pub owners of Kolkata today.
Yeah.
I mean, I think you are the second generation or the third generation who's taking care of this.
Second generation.
Second generation. So they कितना मतलब it is coming from from your generation. But एक आप बात बताइए, ऐसा क्या है जो लोगों को लगता है कि as a nightlife this is the misconception, या as you as the owner of a pub, आपके लिए किसी को misconception आया हो कि अरे ये तो लेट आती होगी, ये तो ये पार्टी करती होगी, कुछ ऐसा कुछ आया?
It actually makes a difference to me what people are thinking about me,
Correct.
right? And as I already said that I sleep early, so most of the work is done on the phone, yes. But being the owner of a nightclub, it's not only about partying. It is about hospitality, entrepreneurship, taking care of the guests, safety of women and also men, and also taking care of the psychology of men and the people who are coming to party at 1 a.m. What mental level are they in after drinking?
Right.
So their psychology also plays a very important role.
Very important role, which is true. Any particular day जहाँ पे we can tell our viewers to be at the wrong place, ऐसा कुछ कोई activity based day?
Yeah, we have women's night, Challi Tuesday we have, and we have karaoke night. Thursday, I think you have also been, and you also sing
yes,
there.
I do.
Yeah, and Saturday night are special nights. We have different DJs. So we have our Instagram page of Wrong Place. You should follow, and all the updates are there on the Instagram page. I would not like to reveal everything here. You should go to the page, follow the page, and just keep yourself updated.
Indeed. And I think, and it's been a while that I have to also come to the Wrong Place because we have to meet where we started. We should again get back.
Yes, I would love to.
Like you are a socialite, you go out, you are into guest curation as well. Because guest curation is also a very tricky thing to do because you're calling in your friends, एक पूरे group को साथ में host करना, it's a big challenge. तो ऐसा कभी आपको लगा है कि when you are interacting with people, you are seeing exactly different backgrounds and you're seeing exactly different, कहते हैं ना वो अलग परवरिश, अलग संस्कार, हर एक में अलग चीज आपको दिख रहा है, मतलब is it very clear to you when you see them?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, I don't know, I have this intuition and very strong catchy feeling about people. I come to know very fast. See, everybody comes from all different kind of spheres of life, different family background, different moral values, different education system. So I think each one have their own importance.
They have their own importance, which is true. And आपको कभी ऐसा लगा उनको देख के कि I see a little bit of myself in everybody as well? कुछ आदतें में भी जो आप उनको देख के लगे रही, I feel they are also like me only.
Yes, of course. Many times I feel that.
Indeed.
Yes.
You're a woman, I'm a woman. आज मेरे पॉडकास्ट में मैंने काफ़ी वुमेन के साथ, मतलब आज 6 पॉडकास्ट हो चुके हैं, 6 में से I have hosted 5 women on my show. But don't you feel that अभी भी the society does not feel women are competent? Do you feel people still tend to, demean women in a lot of
yes,
cases?
Of course, people do. There are people who uplift women, but there are people who do character assassination of women. Women are basically judged on two main platforms, which I would like to say. One is character and competence. There is a lot of judgment regarding women that she is characterless or she cannot compete with men,
right,
which I would like not to happen in the society.
Yes.
People should not judge the women. They should understand. They should understand their personal life and personal battles.
Right. ये बहुत बड़ी बात है, पता है, क्योंकि आज के डेट में मेरा ये मानना था जब मैं when I was stepping out to work and I was even with my parents. Today I'm as well married also. तो एक चीज़ मैंने नोटिस किया कि औरतें ना पहले दिन से सिर्फ काम ही कर रही है. औरतें पहले पुराने जमाने से काम ही कर
I
रही
have
है.
to say something very important on this because the minds are conditioned in such a manner.
Yes, yes.
In our households, all the women are taught. सब औरतों को यही बोला गया है, तुमको ऐसे करना है, वैसे करना है. We never let the women be themselves. Once you let them be themselves, then you will come to know their real values.
Yes, which
Where
is
they
true.
stand, what they can do, to which extent they can go. And we can even see that the families in which women are not opposed, they are not stopped, they live their dreams, and they have certainly reached heights.
Yes, they have certainly reached heights, which is true.
It is only the insecurity of men that do not let the women go forward.
ये तो सच बोले हैं. ये तो and this is technically for everybody कि women were already working. बस यही था कि हमें ये सिखाया गया कि जो बाहर जाके पैसे कमा रहे हैं उन्हें रिस्पेक्ट मिलती है.
Yes.
तो हम भी बाहर निकल के रिस्पेक्ट के
बिल्कुल,
धुन में
बिल्कुल.
कि यार लेट्स गो आउट, लेट्स अर्न मनी, शायद हमें भी रिस्पेक्ट मिल जाए. बट देन we were conditioned in a way कि अगर आप बाहर जा रहे हो तो वो घर आके भी काम करना है. So you
Yeah,
see
so
the
I
balance.
totally do not, agree to this. Household work should also be divided.
Yes.
It's not that if a woman is working and the man is working, they should equally contribute in the household chores. They know what their value is. I would like to give a message to all the women that you have to know about your abilities and capabilities. You should not get carried away by people around telling you you're good for nothing, you cannot do this, you cannot do that. You just have to prove it to them.
Yes, and हम तो कर ही देंगे. I'm sure when we've got Preeti with us, we've got such great people. We've got your friends on board. I mean, because our friend circle is also huge. We've got almost everybody in our friend circle is working. Everybody is like getting out,
Working and then supporting each other, uplifting each other.
वो तो बहुत बड़ी बात है कि वो लोग अपलिफ्ट करते हैं. बट ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम है, ये तो एक कॉज है कि हाँ वी नो दिस इज हैपनिंग. ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम है जो लोग एड्रेस नहीं करते बट उनको पता है कि ये एक प्रॉब्लम है.
Yes, nobody talks about men's emotional wellness and their loneliness. Because all the platform are for women. Let's uplift women. Women are, सब कुछ women के लिए है. बट मैं चाहती हूँ कुछ ऐसा भी हो जो कि मेन के लिए हो, आदमियों के लिए हो, जो कि उनकी भावनाएं समझ सके, जो कि उनकी अकेलेपन को समझ सके. Because we cannot have a healthy workplace and healthy families if half of the generation is malnourished. This is very important.
वेरी ट्रू. आज हमें एक्चुअली ना आधे से ज़्यादा टाइम पता ही नहीं होता है कि हमारे घर के जो द मेन ऑफ आवर हाउस उनको क्या प्रॉब्लम है, वो तो बात ही नहीं करते.
Because I have read in many stories and many places that if they have any problem at their office or in their business, but they never say no to their children, never say no to their wife. So we should even understand this. They should have a platform where they can talk about themselves, where they can talk about their emotions, loneliness. And we always say men should not cry. Why? They should cry and vent it out. It's very important. No, you will not be weak, but you will hurt yourself inside. That is why most of the heart attacks men have. Why do men have heart attacks? Because everything is inside, they cannot vent out. They just portray their strong masculine self, but inside they are soft and lonely.
आप इतने लोगों को मिलते हो, लाइक यू जस्ट स्पोक अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट यू आर मीटिंग पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड्स. आपके पास उनकी एक अलग ही इमेज बनी हुई है दैट दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम डिफरेंट साइड्स ऑफ द स्टोरी. उनकी अलग अलग स्टोरी लाइन्स. बट कभी ऐसा फील हुआ है कि टुडेज जनरेशन इज गेटिंग मोर कनेक्टेड टू टेक्नोलॉजी एंड एक्चुअल में वो अकेले ही है, बट बस बैठ के फोन, कहते ना कि फोन को जस्ट चला रहे हैं.
The way we spent our childhood going to neighbor's house, running in the stairs up and down, playing with each other, going to each other's house, these things are becoming very, very old-fashioned.
Yes, I think old school हो गई है.
Even the kids are not being able to experience their childhood. They have already mentally they have grown above their ages. So this is very important. for like we are so lonely. In a family, everybody is in their rooms and on their phones. And if you just call everybody for lunch or dinner is late at the table, nobody is going to come because they're so busy in their phone. What you should make a video and post it in the family group. Once you post it in the family group, they will see and they will come on the table. So this is what is happening nowadays.
आजकल बुलाने का भी एक अलग स्टाइल हो
हाँ.
गया है. पहले जोर से मम्मी
So-
चिल्लाती थी तो भाग के आ जाते थे.
बिल्कुल.
बट अब इट इज की होता है
आपके
आज.
पास फोन है तो एक दूसरे को फोन कर दो. अरे भाई क्यों, उठो, जाओ, मूव योर बॉडी, टॉक एंड इंटरैक्ट.
एक रूम से दूसरे रूम तक लोग फोन करते हैं
Yes.
आज के डेट में कि यार
घर में रहकर.
एक ही घर में रहकर.
So this is a very it's mentally very unhealthy.
Yes, yes.
Very unhealthy. Because if we do not teach this thing to our children, what will they teach their children? It's very important.
As a guest curator or as a grooming expert, आपके पास तो multiple collaborations आए होंगे from
Yes.
different brands, right?
Yeah.
तो ऐसा कोई collaboration में भी आपके पास आया हो hypothetically and आपने उसको मना कर दिया.
Yes.
Reason क्यों आपके वो align, they're not aligning with your values.
Values, right?
तो उस टाइम पे what were you thinking and have you ever said a no to people?
Yes, I have. I had when I had won Mrs. India, I had got a collaboration request from a lingerie brand.
Oh my God! Wow.
Yeah, because they wanted me to collaborate with them. Then I said no because I do not want to show my body to the world.
Right, right.
It is against my moral values. And one more, it was a nightclub, and they wanted me to, promote their liquor. So that also, although I am from the same. Field and background,
Right.
but it is against my moral values. Yes.
So you have said no, and इसका मतलब reaction कैसा आया है आपको? मतलब
Reaction was normal. They did not tell me anything. It was, they said,
They-
yeah, they totally understood and respected my decision.
great. So they accepted whatever
Yes.
was the answer to it. That is nice. That is nice. This is a very good thing. And इससे don't you think you should tell people also about what is the importance of no if it is not going with what you think?
Yes, it's very important to say a no, because once if you tell a no and you don't like it, and then people approaching you will know their boundaries. They will know where to draw the line. That is the most important thing.
So when you are saying this, that you've told them a no. So I think people also know कि आपसे उनकी कहाँ boundary आती है.
Yes.
And you've liked it so far so good.
Yes.
Yes. So I think we'll also wish everybody to maintain their boundaries so that nobody can cross that boundary even.
True.
और एक और आपसे क्वेश्चन है कि अब जैसे I was going through your profile, I realized आप काफी जगह बहुत awards जीते हो. You, like we mentioned before also कि she was a part of a lot of jury members में थी. She was judges for a lot of competitions, lot of shows. Chief guest के तौर पे आपको बुलाया गया है इतनी जगह पे. तो इतना सब कुछ आपको people remember you and they know you, but what is that one challenge do you think कि ये सब चीज को गेन करने में आया है आपके पास, जो सबसे एक चैलेंज आपको लगा था कि दिस इज द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग थिंग बट आई विल प्रूव माई सेल्फ?
See, as a homemaker, I took care of my family, and I believe that I would never say no to anyone. जिसको जब जिस टाइम पे जो चीज़ चाहिए, I would always give. I still do it, and I still want to do it in future. But one day I suddenly realized that what have I done for myself? So that was the day when I decided, and that is how my journey started. And when I participated in the pageant, I had never even imagined I will win. And after I won, I gained so much confidence in myself. Then I understood that what is my value, not in front of the world, but in my own eyes.
Yes, yes. When you get up in the morning and you look at yourself in the mirror ना,
Yes.
खुद को देख के जो खुशी होती
You
है
have
ना,
to be happy with yourself.
which is very
That's
true.
it.
Which is very true. So, as we have come to the end of our podcast, but like we say, Talk to KP में हम करते एक छोटा सा rapid fire round. So, like the rules of rapid fire, बहुत simple है. I have a goodie bag for you,
Okay.
and I'm going to give you that once you answer all my questions. But the rule is कि you have to answer very spontaneously. So you have to be like super quick in your answers.
Okay.
Okay. So the rapid fire round begins. It is grooming or confidence.
Confidence.
Confidence, okay. Coffee or cocktails?
Coffee.
Coffee, okay. Social media or real conversation?
Real conversation.
Any day real conversations. Okay. One word that describes you best.
Loyal.
Loyalty, okay. Loyalty, right. A habit you wish people had more.
Consistency.
Consistency, to move on. That is true. Marriage in one word.
Understanding.
Understanding, indeed. One thing people get wrong about you.
I'm very snobbish and I have a high air about myself, which I'm not at all. Please don't think anything of that sort about me.
Okay. A pub night or a peaceful night at home?
Peaceful night at home.
Any day. I think अभी ये चर्चे की बात it is just written away. Okay. Fitness for looks or fitness for health?
Fitness for health, of course.
Fitness for health, of course. One message for every woman watching this podcast today.
Be fearless.
Be fearless.
Yes, that's the only message.
That
But I'm saying, but you have to apply it in your daily lives. खाली मैं बोलने के लिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ ये आपको अपनी डेली लाइफ में अप्लाई करना है, आपको fearless होकर दिखाना है, but at the same time don't be a rebel.
Don't be a rebel. ये बात सच है. अब जैसे कि I had promised कि once the rapid fire gets over, we are going to be handing her a small goodie bag which is from our channel to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being a part of this day with us.
you.
And this is our 6th episode. So as we've reached towards the end of this part of the show, एक चीज आपको जो मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ before we do our closing is कि with so many achievements that you have achieved, ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो awards को छोड़ के आप चाहते हो लोग आपके बारे में याद रखें?
एक ही चीज मैं चाहती हूँ लोग मेरे लिए या मेरे बारे में याद रखें, that she was a woman who gave more to the society than she took.
She was a bigger giver than a taker, which is true. Thank you so much for watching us on our podcast today. बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों के साथ यहाँ बात करके. बाकी details हम नीचे लिख देंगे. And in the meanwhile, stay tuned to Talk to KP. This is our 6th episode. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.